In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Canon Imageclass LBP122dw printer using an Ethernet cable. So we are directly going to connect with the internet and then we will start using it for wireless printing. At the back side you will see there is an option to plug in the LAN. So we'll plug in the cable here. Go to the printer display panel, scroll down and look for the menu, and then look for the preferences. Scroll down, select network, select the first option wired LAN or wireless LAN, and then select the wired LAN. Settings are applied. Now we can go back. It says ready to print and you will not see any wireless signal here. That means wired LAN is working. Let's add the printer in your smartphone. Go to the Canon Print App. You can download the app from the App Store. To add the printer, click on the register printer. Wait for the printer to show up here. Select LBP121 and 122. So two are there. Just press OK. You will see your printer and it will become online. Now we can start using it. Let's print a document. For the confirmation, for example, I can print this one. Click next and print. The printer is working. So after doing the LAN setup, we can connect it with the smartphone and then we can start using it for wireless printing. Thanks for watching.